Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the essentials, get your neutral target and a RAW photo of it. Place the target in even light, then import the image into Lightroom and open Develop. You should already be on a calibrated monitor. If not, pause and calibrate your display. Next, set the camera profile to Adobe RAW or Camera Neutral as a baseline, and make basic exposure adjustments so the target is mid-tone. This first pass locks in consistency and prevents later steps from fixing avoidable. Once done with the baseline, use the white balance eyedropper on the neutral target to remove color cast. You are correcting how the camera saw light. Then make exposure and tone adjustments so the histogram has headroom, recover highlights and lift shadows as needed. Next, tweak temp and tint to match perceptual color and apply subtle tone curve changes for global contrast. Make small moves, large shifts hide calibration errors. You are shaping color fidelity and dynamic range together. Finish by saving a snapshot or exporting a custom DNG or ICC profile for consistent application. Use Lightroom's before/after or soft proofing to compare results across profiles and confirm skin tones and neutrals are stable. Apply the profile to other images from the same shoot and check prints or web previews to validate. If colors shift unexpectedly, recheck your monitor calibration and reapply the eyedropper on the neutral target. Often a stray tint or wrong profile is the root cause, so correct those and repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.